Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Samsung Care Plus. I made this video in a simple step, so easily you can make your own setup. So let's go and start the video.
So first of all, we need to put the Gmail. Now we put it already the email address. Now we will go to how to set up. First you need to go in the Galaxy.
That's all for today, friends. So go ahead and tell me in comments below and hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.